Hello everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Kuparkar. Today I'm here with a very beautiful set of Irkal sarees. After a long time we are back with handloom Irkals with zari checks on them. A stunning range of sarees, richly woven, exciting combinations, good color combinations. Every sari is selected, every combination is selected keeping in mind uniqueness, aesthetics, quality of weaving, everything. So yes, this is the first one, a very beautiful mango yellow. It's not too orange, it's a nice rich mango yellow with a fresh green border. This is the border. It has zari checks on it, however they might not be that visible on the yellow color. Okay, this that zari checks. Okay, so this is the first one. The price of these sarees is 15,200 to 15,800. That's the price range. This is the lovely pallu. Okay, it has zari top pallu. Most of the sarees have zari top pallu. Now this particular saree has a self blouse. This is not a contrast blouse, it is a self blouse. So yes, this is the first one. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is a very pretty black संक्रांत येते. सो ब्लॅक साड्या भरपूर आहेत आपल्याकडे स्टॉकमध्ये आणि भरपूर येणार पण आहेत. संक्रांती इज अप्रोचिंग. सो वी आर collecting a lot of black sarees. Mostly by December end we'll be able to post our entire black saree collection. So here this is a beautiful black zari checks irkal. I'll just come close and show you all the fine zari checks, and this is how the borders will look together. A beautiful fresh orange color. Okay, so yes, this is the saree and this is the fresh orange pallu, zari top pallu. It has a contrast blouse. This is the blouse. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is a lovely beige. I wouldn't call this beige, actually this is a yellowish off-white kind of a color. A very beautiful color. It's definitely not yellow, but it's not just off-white. It's a lovely off-white with a goldenish yellowish reflect in it. It's a slight dhoop chhaw color. The border is very special. It's a purplish royal blue border. I hope you all can see the zari checks on the saree. Excellent quality. This particular saree is 15,800. This is the grand zari top pallu. It comes with a contrast blouse. This is the contrast blouse. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is a classic combination. It's pink with bluish purple color. Beautiful combination. Cannot go wrong kind of a combination. It can be worn in the day, night, evening, whenever you want to. Indoor, outdoor. This saree has to look good. It has a beautiful deep purplish blue colored zari top pallu. It has a contrast blouse. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Okay, let's move to the next saree. It is a very fresh combination, a different combination. I don't think we had this before. It's a very beautiful mint green, fresh pastel mint green, beautiful color with a nice light firozi blue border. This is how the borders will look together. Fine zari checks on the saree. I'll just come close so you all can see the zari checks. Beautiful combination. A very beautiful combination. This is the grand pallu. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Again, this one has a contrast blouse. The next is our popular combination. This combination is back in stock. Many of you had inquired for yellow with Rani pink. So this is a nice ruby pink color, reddish ruby pink. The saree has zari checks on it. Maybe you cannot see the zari checks from a distance, but it has zari checks. Beautiful combination. Excuse me because I use the word beautiful quite a lot of times in my videos. Somebody had also commented on the last video that Kavita, you need to improve your vocabulary. You are using very and beautiful too many times. So I know that, but what happens, it's in the flow of talking that you tend to use the words you are comfortable with more number of times. It's it's quite a task to actually, you know, talk in front of the camera without pausing, without, you know, breaking in between. So it's quite a task. So it has to be impromptu and spontaneous, and that is what I am. I am very spontaneous, even if I use a few words more frequently. Excuse me on that front, but just I think you can acknowledge or appreciate the spontaneity that I have, right? So yes, this is the beautiful yellow pink combination in Zari checks gadwa. Like the light on kar parat. It's a ruby pink colored pallu, okay, and a contrast blouse. If you like this one, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next saree. The next is a lovely dhoop chow, gorgeous color. It is a firozi blue rama green kind of a color, blue green dhoop chow. It has very fine zari checks on it, okay, with the rani pink border. Once again, stunning combination. This is how the borders will look close to each other, and this is the zari top pallu. If you like this one, please take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. This also has a contrast blouse. So you can WhatsApp us on the numbers that we mentioned. We'll help you with the ordering process. Shipping all over India is free, so feel free to place your orders. Yes, this is the next one. It is a deep firozi blue with a purple border, a very unique combination. You don't get to see this very commonly. Again, fine zari checks on the saree, okay, and this is the lovely pallu, a very grand pallu. Stunning combination. Just look at the blouse. It's a nice contrast blouse. This is the saree. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Every saree is different. It's beautiful. Some colors combinations are very popular. They are back in stock. Some of them are extremely unique, never seen before kind of combinations. This is the last saree of this video. This is the color, purplish blue color hai. Very beautiful combination. Again, this combination is very popular in, especially in Irkals. I'll just show you the lovely zari checks. This is how the borders will look together, okay, and this is the pallu. Very vibrant and beautiful combination. If you like this one, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. So this was our zari check circle combination, a very loved saree type here at Pratha. So I'm quite excited. I have many more beautiful sarees lined up for all of you. We'll be posting 2 more videos tonight as well, and tomorrow is Saturday, so I'll be coming live tomorrow, so on Facebook. So please